Imagine a place where the golden sun kisses the earth, where the azure waters dances in harmony with the gentle breeze. This is the enchanting world of Mediterranean house design. Step into a realm where elegance meets relaxation, where every corner whispers tales of ancient civilizations and modern luxury. Today, we embark on a journey through the heart of Mediterranean design, uncovering the secrets that turn houses into homes and dreams into reality. Get ready to be inspired as we dive deep into a world of beauty, comfort, and timeless allure. Mediterranean homes feature iconic terracotta roofs. These roofs are not only visually appealing but also help keep the house cool. Classic stucco walls in white or earthy tones reflect the sun's heat and create a clean and timeless look. Elegant wrought iron details add a touch of old world charm. Arched doorways and windows add softness and grandeur, creating inviting entrances that welcome you home. Open courtyard and patios bring the outdoors view, offering serene spaces filled with lush greenery and fountains. Decorative tiles with intricate patterns add artistic flair to floors, stair rises, and kitchen accents. Inside, natural materials like wood, stone, and soft iron create warmth and an inviting atmosphere. Earthy color palettes of terracotta, ochre, and polarized green evoke the Mediterranean landscape. Richly patterned textiles including rugs, cushions, and drapes, and a touch of luxury and comfort to every room. Mediterranean homes emphasize outdoor living. Spacious terraces are perfect for entertaining, surrounded by gardens filled with olive trees, lavender, and bougainvillea. Tranquil water features such as fountains and small pools enhance the serene outdoor environment. The seamless blend of indoor and outdoor living defines Mediterranean design. Large windows and doors open to patios and gardens, flooding interiors with natural light. Fireplaces are often a focal point in Mediterranean homes, adding a warmth and a cozy ambience to living spaces. Ornate lighting fixtures such as chandeliers and wrought iron lamps illuminate the home with elegance and style. Outdoor kitchens and dining areas are perfect for alfresco meals, enhancing the Mediterranean lifestyle of enjoying good food and great company. This connection to nature promotes well-being and relaxation, making your home a true sanctuary. Whether you dream of a seaside villa or want to bring a Mediterranean magic to your home, these designs offer warmth and elegance. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Mediterranean house design. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more design inspirations. See you next time.